Hello, here we have opened our B&W Pin software. In this introduction, we will briefly go over all the main components. On the left side, we have the control panel. In the control panel, we have the manual control and automated tabs. In the manual control tab, we can control vibration parameters by adjusting the frequency and amplitude of acceleration. Our solenoid shock systems are calibrated to 1000 Gs and can be used in either dynamic or static shock. On the automated tab, we are able to make a test by manually entering the test parameters or load a previously saved test. Included with our software are sample tests for your convenience. Now we have the monitoring side of the software. Our first tab is the pin test tab. Here we have a digital oscilloscope in XY mode with accelerometer amplitude on the X-axis and sensor amplitude on the Y-axis. Currently, we have a 5-sensor configuration and the digital readouts for each sensor. You can view each sensor individually by selecting them here. Now, on the data analysis tab, we have a real-time display of the sensors. Here we only have 2 sensors configured. For the purpose of this video, we have raised the gain of sensor 2 for better clarity. In this area, we can monitor the first sensor of impact as well as the amount of failures during a test. We can also see how many units in one lot have failed, as well as the digital readouts here on the right. An accelerometer monitor on the bottom right, as well as a 3D graphical representation of the amplitude of the impact. Now, on the historical data tab, we are able to analyze data recorded from an automated test. We can also create a text report of the failures and passes for a certain test or lot. On the settings tab, you are able to adjust certain test settings. The stop on fail button will stop the test upon a failure. The sound button enables and disables the test audio. Here we have the maximum test runs and an audio amp for the test audio. We also have a end tone feature that indicates the user with a beep that the test has ended. The configuration tab is intended for factory use only. Any change in these values can cause a malfunction in the system.